For effective washing performance, always load your dishwasher properly, and make sure to do the following before loading your dishwasher. Have adjustable tines that can fold up or down to fit various size dishes, which can help configure the rack for your load type. Starting with the lower rack, insert plates, soup bowls, and lids between the tines positioned upright. Fold down the tines to place larger dishes like pots and pans placed upside down, and make sure that all items do not touch each other. Load cookie sheets, cake pans, and other large items on the sides or back of the rack so they do not interfere with the rotation of the spray arms and do not prevent the detergent dispenser from opening. The silverware basket is removable, and by using the handle, you can lift the basket to load your utensils into the separators to prevent nesting, ensuring proper cleaning. Remember to load sharp items such as knives pointing down. Next is the upper rack. Use the upper rack for smaller delicate items. Small plates should be positioned upright and facing the center of the rack. Cups, saucers, small bowls, and glasses must be positioned upside down in the rows between the rack tines to help avoid nesting. Some models have stemware holders that provide support for long stem glasses, which can also be folded up to make way for taller glasses. The upper rack is also adjustable with 3 available height positions to create more space. To lower the upper rack, hold the rack at the center of each side hand grip to support its weight. Then push the button on each side to release the rack and lower its position. When raising the rack, lift until it locks into place in one of the upper positions. Be sure to empty the upper rack before raising or lowering the upper rack. Also, make sure the bottom of the upper rack and the lower rack do not interfere with the rotation of the spray arms when loaded. Adjust the height when necessary. The cutlery rack is suited for flatware and most cooking or serving utensils, small prep bowls, and lids. The separators on the cutlery rack help keep flatware separated to avoid damage and improve cleaning. The tray on the left side can be adjusted to a high or low position to accommodate utensils or cutlery of different sizes. You can adjust the tray by sliding the lever. The entire cutlery rack can be removed if more space is needed for the upper rack. Fully extend the rack and lift up from the front until the roller clears the rails. To reinstall, follow the same steps in reverse.
The Electrolux Comfort Lift makes loading and unloading your dishwasher as effortless as possible. Comfort Lift is a world first. The mechanism lets you gently lift the lower rack up towards you, taking the effort out of loading and unloading. Raise the lower basket until it clicks into the upper position. To lower the basket, lift and hold the trigger while pushing the rack down to the starting position. With the Electrolux Comfort Rails, your dishwasher rack slides smoothly in and out of your dishwasher, coming to a gentle stop without rattling your plates. The Electrolux Comfort Lift uses the double rotation of the innovative satellite spray arm to ensure maximum water coverage and perfect cleaning of every load. Electrolux Comfort Lift dishwashers are available with a selection of accessories. The new Electrolux glass basket protects up to 8 delicate wine glasses. And the high-quality dish care set contains a descaler, degreaser, restoring salt, and 2 defresheners to optimize the functionality of the dishwasher and extend its life. Electrolux Comfort Lift. Lift your expectations.
I'm Scott, and this is the EdgeStar DWP61ES, the 6-place setting countertop dishwasher. Now this unit will hold 6 place settings in its large stainless steel interior. The unit will hold plates up to 10.5 inches in diameter. The DWP61ES has 6 wash settings and will heat water up to 149 degrees Fahrenheit, which is good for sanitizing things. Now at only 17.5 inches tall and 21.75 inches wide, this unit will fit easily on any kitchen counter, RV, or boat. Also, the DWP61ES is ENERGY STAR rated and only uses 3.5 gallons on a normal wash cycle. Finally, it comes with everything you need to get it hooked up and going, including an inlet and drain hose and a faucet adapter. I'm Scott, and this is the EdgeStar DWP61ES, the 6-place setting, ENERGY STAR rated countertop dishwasher by EdgeStar. Pick one up today.